Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Colourpop Mint to Be palette. Do you want to know what my thoughts are and how I created this look? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received, well a few days ago, I received the Colourpop Mint to Be palette, and I really like these colors. I'm just gonna start out like that. These are like one of my favorite colors. I like the mint type colors. The teal blues, teal greens. I love any of those color shades. So as soon as I saw this, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. But I went ahead and waited a few days or weeks, and I got it when they had their sale for like 20% off their entire site. So I did purchase this, and I'm so excited that I did, so I can now add it to my collection. So the outside of the packaging looks like this, and it goes over the colors on the back. And the actual package, and of course I always get kind of like a crooked I get a crooked stamp, but sticker, but that's okay. And then here's the front, Mint to Be. Now when you open this up, there we go. There's the colors right there. And then here it has the mirror, but it has like a little protective over it that you can remove. I don't ever use a mirror, so I just leave them on there. But now for this look right here, I went ahead and I started with this color I put over my entire lid. Then I went and put in this color on my top part up in here. And then I went in with this color in my crease. And this one was on my lower lid. And then this guy here, I put in the far corner just to darken up the corner a little bit. And yeah, let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys so you can see them swatched. Okay, you guys, there is the entire palette. So my final thoughts are, if you like these colors, then this is definitely a good palette for you to keep, because whenever you want to perform these colors on your eyes, you have it all in one palette. Again, I'm really excited that now I can add this to my Colourpop collection. I do have, I think, like 3 or 4 in this same style case. So I'm really excited to have these. Plus, they are my favorite colors. This one right here is giving me vibes of one of my Super Shock shadows that I have. That's like a mint color. But I'm excited now to have the entire palette, so I have all the different finishes with the different colors, and I can create this look right here. Now, the lip product that I have on today is a lip that I bought when I bought this, and it is the Luxe Velvet. I've never tried this particular formula of theirs. I do have a few different lip products, but not anything like this. And with this being green, green always reminds me of money, and this color popped out at me, and it's called Get Money. And it's a velvet lipstick. And again, since it was Get Money, I know it's not green, it doesn't match, but I feel like this is a really pretty color that can kind of go with a lot of the palettes that I do use. So I got Get Money, and that is the color that I chose, and that is what I used. And here is the actual packaging. It's a little short, fat, round one. Normally they're long, tall, and skinny. So I definitely don't have this particular type of formula whatsoever. And this is, again, the Luxe Velvet. And you can see it on my lips, but let me go ahead and put a little swatch on my hand for you. So you can see the intense, dark, kind of like a burnt burgundy type of a color is right there. I mean, it is a really dark color, but I feel like it goes on really well. It feels good. It doesn't feel like super dried down. It's staying put, and I'm actually liking it. So I'm glad I was able to try out another type of their lip products, and I think it came out pretty cute. Well, I think it looks a little cute. So that is what I got from Colourpop. So if you guys are still with me, I didn't just buy one of these items for myself. I also bought one of each for one of you guys. So I did get the same mint palette and the same Get Money lip product. So if you do want to win these two items right here, one lucky winner will win them. And you just follow my same simple rules for all my giveaways. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must give this video a big thumbs up. Leave one comment down below, and in that comment, put in meant to be, M-I-N-T, meant to be, and whatever comment you would like. After that, you can leave multiple comments, but only one comment with the words meant to be, and use it in a sentence. Be creative. I think that would be kind of cute to see what you guys could come up with. So be creative, use meant, M-I-N-T, to be, just like the name of the palette. Use meant to be in a creative way in a sentence or anything down below, but one entry per user name. You can leave me as many comments as you would like, but only one of them actually entering in for this giveaway. I will have this run for 2 weeks. The official rules and the official end date will be down below in the description box. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will have a random comment picker choose a comment that has the words meant to be in it. And if you did follow the rules and you use it in a unique way in your sentence, then I will comment back to your comment and say, congratulations, you are the winner of this giveaway. You have 48 hours to respond back to me. If you do not respond back to me within the 48 hours, I will have the random comment picker choose a new winner. The new winner will now have 48 hours, and so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. When they are confirmed, I will put confirmed next to the winner's name down below. If it says has 48 hours to respond, then hang tight because I may have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. The only other rules that I have is you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian or somebody over the age of 18 enter in for you. And you must have a United States address for me to ship these to. And that is all. Be subscribed, like, comment down below with a unique comment using the words meant to be. And be over the age of 18, have a United States address, and one person will win this set right here in 2 weeks. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Let me know down below, what did you think of this palette? Have you seen this palette? Did you want to get this palette? Did you buy the palette? If you did, what do you feel on it? I am really liking it. I love Colourpop's formula. I love how creamy it just glides on. So I'm so glad, again, to add this to my collection of my other Colourpop palettes. And I'm glad because I don't have anything in this color tone. I do have a green palette, but it's more of like the darker green, hunter green, that kind of thing, not more of the mint lighter tones. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection. So thank you guys so much again for tuning in. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.